Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, in the sales department at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And here behind me, I'm gonna have a 2022 Honda HR-V LX all-wheel drive. I'm gonna walk around this vehicle, show you guys all the cool standard features and functions, so when you arrive at your local Honda dealership, you know exactly what this vehicle has before you take it on a test drive to save you guys some time. Now, if you guys have any questions, you know what to do. Drop your questions down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions. For those that are locally around me, you guys are in the market, you know what to do. Right here's my number. I'll show you how easy it is to join the Crazy Honda Chris family here at Randy Kuehl, okay? Now let's go answer all these questions. You guys be in the know about the HR-V LX. All right, so here we are right outside the 2022 Honda HR-V LX. Let's walk up here to the Maroni sticker as usual, guys, for a good starting point. You guys are welcome to pause the video right about there if you want to explore on your own. Now, up in the top right-hand corner, talks about your fuel economy. You got a combined of 29, 27 for the city, and 31 for the highway. Down here on the right-hand corner, talks about your safety ratings. Check that out. Right over here is where the vehicle's made at, the price point, and then the list of standard features, which we're going to try to cover today for you guys. Now, this particular color is going to be a modern steel metallic. I will also post down on the bottom left-hand corner some additional colors that is available, and if there's going to be a surplus charge for those colors for you guys, okay? Now, this particular one's an all-wheel drive. You can get this in an all-wheel drive or a two-wheel drive option, all right? So just going to let you guys know about that. Now, we'll step here towards the front of the vehicle. You're going to have a 1.8 four-cylinder non-turbo with a CVT with 141 horsepower right there, up to horsepower and torque all up there for you guys. You can take a look at that. You can have standard headlights. You got your LED daytime running lights, as you can see they're on right now. A little bit of chrome action in the front. We'll step here along to the side. You got these nice alloyed rims, 17-inch alloyed rims. We'll step back here so you guys can see a side profile of the vehicle here quick. So we're also going to have body color handles and then a body color side mirrors here. Now, these side mirrors are going to be a breakaway point, so if you need to pull into the garage and need to move these for any particular reason, you can adjust those. That's the easiest to go. Now, your handle here for the back door, it's going to be right up top. All right, so there we go, quick and easy. We'll step here towards the back of the vehicle. You're going to have a multi-angle rear camera, all-wheel drive badging for those all-wheel drives. There's going to be a hydraulic lift gate, so simply pull that right up, quick and easy. Plenty of space right here. Down on the left-hand corner, I put down some cargo volume space so you guys know exactly how much room you guys have to play with. Then, let's say for some reason this is not enough space. Hey, challenge accepted. Let's bring this right down here for you guys. Check that out. Comes out nice and flat, so now you can continue living life. There we go. A little bit out of the sun now. We're also going to have some courtesy tie downs for you right here, so you know things won't be jumping around, damaging anything back here. Manual lights. You have a third seat belt right up top. Down below you have a spare tire just in case for those unforeseen events. You're going to have the tools you need. Let's check out the back seat here quick. All right, let's open this right up. Here we are right inside of the door here quick, guys. You got a nice kind of vinyl leather kind of interior. You're gonna have your power windows, pretty easy, straightforward. And then you have a little cubby space down below, okay? We'll come right in here to the cloth seats. Give you guys a quick second to look at that. These seats can recline. You simply have this right over here, pull that up, it comes down a little more so you can see the difference right there, okay? Now we got the magic seats here inside, so simply grab the bottom of the base here, pull that right up, super easy, pull that down, look at that. Now I have more utility space, maybe I do a little bit of biking, maybe some tall plants, a big screen TV, whatever the case is, I got that space now, I can slide things right in, okay? Now to simply bring that down, simply pull the bar up, and then bring it down, it's gonna snap right back in place, you see there, okay? Down here in the center, we're gonna have a 12-volt plug-in with some additional space down there. A little courtesy pocket in the back of the passenger seat. Now I want to point out to you guys that the trim order on these things, an order is going to be the LX as we're looking at now. Then you go to the Sport, the EX, then the EXL, okay? So this is going to be your entry level here for the HR-V. Now let's get here to the front for you guys. Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris. Sorry to interrupt you guys' video here quick. I just want to say thanks again for watching. I really appreciate your guys' support. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, I encourage you to do it now to see my next new videos coming out. My goal is to give you all the information you need to make a well-formed decision. I'll see you guys at the next video, all right? Thanks again for your time. Bye-bye. Kind of check out here on the door here quick. You guys know about power windows. It's pretty easy. Power locks. You got your power mirrors. Simply select right there the D-pad to adjust accordingly. Then you have your window lock button. Okay, I'll lock the windows. They're unlocked now. So just in case 5-year-old Cameron's back there messing around, guess what? You're locked out, buddy. So down below here, you got some additional cubby space. Let's focus here on the driver's seat here quick. It's going to be a manual seat, all right? So it's going to be a pump action. To raise it, you got to pump up. To lower it, you got to pump down. Pretty easy. You got your recline, and then you get your squeeze bar here to slide forward and back. And over here, you get your gas release. Then you have your hood release. And of course, you got pedals to stop and go, get to A and B safely. Let's jump right in. The vehicle's already on the right. Comes in with 2 keys. You got some additional buttons here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. You got your vehicle stability assist and your tire pressure monitoring system, just in case if you need to reset that. Then you have this lovely econ button. As we smack that a couple times, you can see that there's a green leaf right up there. So I'm gonna hit it again. Now it's off, now it's on. Pretty much Econ's gonna make you more fuel efficient, most effective for your highway driving. You may see anywhere from 2 to 4 miles to a gallon difference, depending on how aggressive you're driving. How it does this, it sacrifices acceleration power, AC power, and electrical power up front to give you better fuel economy, all right? So keep that in mind on those really hot summer days. A, do you want to be fuel efficient, or B, do you want to be comfortable? Now over here, on the right-hand side, you got your cruise control. You got your cruise control button. You can see when your cruise control is available by the little green right there. Set, adjust the speeds, cancel, or just hit cruise again. It's no longer available. You can't accidentally set your cruise control. Over here on the left-hand side, you got your media controls, volume, different sources, stuff like that. Then you have your hands-free for your phone. All right, I can pick up, decline, back out of the menu, do your voice command. Hey, call Crazy Honda Chris on mobile phone. Give me a call, answer you guys' questions. Wipers, everything right over here. You got your rear wipers. Headlights. If I can get the camera to focus, there we go. Pretty easy, straightforward stuff right there for you folks. Now let's kind of talk a little bit about the driver's interface here for you guys, so at least kind of know the layout. You got your fuel tank right down below, miles right up here. This graph is going to be great. You're going to love this, especially if you're paying attention to your fuel economy, okay? Gives you a lifetime feed. So let's say we're driving down the road. This is going to fluctuate to show you what your current fuel economy, what you're getting at that moment, all right? Then you get your speedometer right here. This white light around here changes colors. You have your fuel efficiency backlight. Pretty much when you're being fuel efficient, it gives you a visual confirmation to let you know you are. It goes from white to green. Green's been, hey, good job, you're being fuel efficient. Then green to white when you're not. So right now we're idling, so we're not, being fuel efficient. Now over here, you got your tachometer. You can see what gear you're in right down below. Let's come over here towards the dashboard here quick for you guys. Give you guys a quick moment to look at that. We got your touch screen, or your screen right here, as you can see. You can adjust the brightness right up there. Radio options, you got FM, AM radio. Media controls, you got a CD player, USB, and Bluetooth. To save a radio station, let's say you find a radio station that you like, you just click and hold, and then there we go, it saves it. Pretty nice and easy, okay? And you got your tuner right here. You got your phone, just in case it's paired, you can go through your phone stuff. You can change your bass and all this stuff with this knob right here. Just give you guys a quick little sneak peek here. Change the color of your screen, all kinds of goodies. Check out my next video for that one, all right? Now we're going to come right down here towards your climate controls. It's pretty simple. You got these dials, fan speed, your different modes, stuff like that, rear defroster, air control, air circulation. Then we'll come down here and focus to your shifter. You got your park, you got a reverse. When you put this into reverse, you see your multi-angle rear camera automatically displays, all right? So you got a little button right here, number 1. You can select that. It changes your views. That's what I mean by a multi-angle rear camera. So the first one right now, just like that photo shows, is a nice wide view. I catch more of my blind spots as cars coming by. straight behind you view, and a straight down shot from your rear bumper. This is great when I'm back parking the cars back in the lot, or as I'm backing up to a wall or into the garage, to a curb, you know, it's great. I love it. You got a neutral drive, sport drive, changes the gear ratio a little bit for more fun performance driving. Then you have a low gear drive for the steep hills and mountains, stuff like that. You have electrical parking brake. So to activate that, you simply just kind of pull that right up. You can see one's on right here. Push down on the brake, push that button in, deactivates that. You have a whole brake, so when that's activated, I got my seatbelt on, for example. I hit that button, it's going to let you know it's available. Every time I get to a stop, it holds the brake for me until I apply into the gas, and it releases just like that. Armrest, a couple of different ways of adjustment. Open this right up, little place to hide my pennies here, stuff like that if I need to. Cup holder. So there's that. One thing I can promise you, that your front passenger is not going to complain about not getting air. You got plenty of these vents right here. Let's check out the glove box. Deep enough, challenge accepted, a whole new different dimension right there. Throw it, whatever you need in there, you're going to forget about it, I promise. Not a lockable glove box. Now we're going to take a sneak peek here down here before I forget. You have a 12-volt plug-in, nice little hidden tray. And then over here on the driver's side, you're going to have a USB plug-in. Thanks again for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you guys are curious what the next trim level up is, the Sport, and you want to know what you're gaining, I'm going to throw it right over here for you guys quick, okay? Take a moment, take a look at that, or you can watch my video as well. I'll walk around that Sport model, show you all the cool standard features and functions. Now, if you guys have any questions, you know what to do. Drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions for you guys, and I'll see you at the next video, all right? Talk to you soon.